Hey everyone, I am Steven. We're going to be doing a cool photo shoot today. Let me take you through it. We put some water in the buckets. We're going to tip the buckets into the puddle. The city behind us is going to be the backdrop with three lovely ladies right here in the middle. Let's take a look. So what we're doing is a reflection shot. So you do like one pose, keep your feet in the exact same spot, but then do another pose. And then, yeah. So stay more straight. That way you can like do something off to the left or to the right, something like that. I'm gonna do a light test. I'm actually gonna lay down to get a better look. I would, since you're doing multiple looks, I would like cross your arms. So everyone cross them. All right, do another one. And now the wind is blowing more than I like. I didn't bring my sandbags, I wasn't thinking. That may not hold, it's only 8 pounds. If a strong wind comes, they're going. No worries, the sun hasn't peaked yet, so we're still good. Everything is set up and everything looks great. So we're gonna do more posing. I'm gonna get wet. Actually, just a moment. First lesson of any kind of water shoot, bring a towel. All right. I can only tighten it so much. Here, we'll let you guys see this beautifulness that we wish was right there, but we're okay with it. Couple different poses. So yeah, cross arms. I'll do my best to fix the hair. Do you want to make your hair go behind? Can you? The top is crazy. Sorry. Okay, ready? No wind. Uncross arms. Turn a little bit. Everyone look off over into the distance and then look the other way just for fun. Cross your arms. Look off into the sunset, everyone. Sunset. And then look back at me, uncross your arms. We'll wait for the wind, hang on. Just like literally just hold it until the wind stops. We'll catch it really fast. Your hair has not moved in a long time. Waiting for it. It's looking great, you guys. This is where an assistant would be great. All right, link arms, look at me. All right, cross arms, look into the sunset. Look the other way, look the other way again. Other way, and then sunset. All right, everyone step out for just a second, just so I can get it like all the way out, all the way. Just so I can get a base shot. More the sky. Go back in. I'm just waiting for hair. I'm trying to catch it like in between. Wait for it. They're holding their hair. Yeah, cheers. Do that again, maybe that's the reflection shot. All right, cross arms. Yeah. Well, so just look off into the, yeah, like that. Perfect, yeah, that's really good. Now just hands down, like hands on your hip, it's okay. Look down at me. All right, now you two step out and let Vic be there by herself. Yeah, just do a bunch of different poses and then cross your arms. Look into the sunset. All right, now step out again. We did it.
Oh my gosh, cool.
So,
ooh, yeah.
Of course, it's gonna be cropped in, but we'll do a time lapse. For the reflections, I just set it up to where I got all three ladies in there. That's how you do a puddle shoot! That was the behind the scenes. This is the puddle. That's the elevated little bit of rocks that I did it on. If you're gonna do it on a tray. Don't do it on something like this, because then your camera may get wet, and I don't wanna be responsible for that. Put it in a tray or some kind of elevated position. I need you to actually leave comments explaining what I may have did right, may have did wrong. I know right now you probably can't see me because it's dark. The sun just set because we did a sunset puddle shoot, so of course I'm gonna be a silhouette or something. So I'm gonna go into the editing. This next part is gonna be in a different video because you don't like it when I edit, or for some reason y'all watch them separately. It's a weird deal. So like, comment, subscribe, I already said that. What else? I don't know, I'm done, bye. I'm out of breath from running around, just that little tiny bit. I'm really out of shape. Like, comment, and subscribe, you guys, or else I don't know if I'm doing correct or not.